I'm Madison Grylls, and this is Tween.Nature, and I am at the park. Oh my gosh, it's the native monkey from last week's episode, the rainforest. Wait 1 second. Come up closer. Roxy, come here. That's my dog. That's my dog, Roxy. She's been missing for over a week, you know. I found some shelter under these awesome seats. 1 second, let me get under there. I might not fit, you know. Good night. Huh? What? Mom, go away. What? What? How did I get out here? Dirty. Anyway, it's time to go find something to eat. I'm gonna make a salad with these dandelions and all these clovers and some grass. My salad sitting in a garden. I've just picked out of the grass and I have to eat that. It's time to eat it now, so put it in my mouth. How very yummy. I like it. I love it. That was an awesome salad with lots of healthy greens. Now I am going to do my meditation and yoga on this awesome bin. Let's begin. Please don't let me die on this journey. I'm just a little person trying to make attention. I just want lots of subscribes on YouTube. Don't let me die on this journey. I've just eaten a big yucky salad and lizard eggs from the last episode on the rainforest. Please don't let me die on this journey, God. Please. Now it's time for some yoga. You ready? The tree pose. And the quacky. Quack, 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 quack. And the ballerina. It's been an hour and I think I've been walking in circles and it's so hot. Wait! This'll cool me down. This is a great treat to get up here and say goodbye to you all. 3 hours later. 5 hours later. 6 hours later. Thank you for watching Tweenvs.Nature by Madison Grylls. And I hope you enjoyed the show. Now please